Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. All India Bar Association seeks contempt action against Andhra Pradesh CM. The All India Bar Association AIBA on Saturday urged the Chief Justice of India to initiate contempt of court proceedings against Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy for making scandalous allegations against Justice N.V. Ramana, senior most judge of the Supreme Court and the judges of the Andhra Pradesh High Court. This came after Jagan, in a letter to Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde on October 6, alleged that Justice Ramana has been influencing the sittings of the High Court, including the roster of a few judges. Newly 3,676 corona cases recorded in Andhra Pradesh. A record number of coronavirus tests are being conducted in Andhra Pradesh. In the past 24 hours, 70,881 samples were tested and 3,676 positive cases were reported. This brings the total number of cases to 7,79,146. CM KCR to launch Dharni portal on Dasra. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao will launch the much-awaited Dharni portal on October 25th, making the auspicious occasion of Dasra. The district collectors have been directed to ensure complete preparedness in terms of staff and infrastructure prior to the launch for effectively rendering citizens services through the website. Heavy rains in Telangana for 5 days, warns IMD. The Indian Meteorological Department, Hyderabad, has issued a weather warning on Saturday, saying that starting from Saturday itself, thunderstorms accompanied with lightning and heavy rains were very likely across Telangana. The weather warning with cautions of thunderstorms accompanied with lightning and heavy rain across Telangana till Monday says on October 20 and 21, thunderstorms accompanied with lightning were very likely in isolated places over Telangana, while heavy rain was very likely in districts of South Telangana. Dr. Reddy's RDIF received approval to conduct clinical trial for Sputnik V vaccine. Hyderabad-based pharmaceuticals company Dr. Reddy's Laboratories and Russian Direct Investment Fund RDIF, Russia's sovereign wealth fund, announced that they have received approval from the Drug Control General of India DCGI to conduct an adaptive phase 2/3 human clinical trial for Sputnik V vaccine in India. This will be a multi-center and randomized controlled study which will include safety and immunogenicity study, Dr. Reddy's said in a statement. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.